Selling your home shouldn't feel overwhelming or disappointing. If your listing expired without selling, it's not the end. It's the start of a smarter, more digital-driven strategy. Hi, I'm Theresa Van Zant with Keller Bay Area Estates, and for over 22 years, I've helped sellers across the Bay Area relaunch with clarity, confidence, and success, especially when their first experience missed the mark. If your home didn't sell, here's what you really need. Not more open houses, but more qualified traffic from online buyers. No flashy fluff, but a focused, data-backed digital plan. No more opinions, but targeted visibility across Google, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Today's buyers begin their home search online, and if your listing didn't appear with high-quality visuals, optimized descriptions, and targeted digital outreach, it likely didn't stand a chance. That's where I come in. When we relaunch your home, we start by identifying what went wrong: pricing, presentation, or poor positioning. Then we rebuild the right way: professional photography and cinematic video, SEO optimized listings and social campaigns, precise digital ad targeting to reach serious buyers where they scroll and search. Your time, privacy, and investment matter. That's why I protect your schedule, reduce stress, and manage every detail from relisting to closing with clear communication and proven marketing tools. You don't need to lower your price. You need to raise your visibility. If you're ready to stop wondering why your home didn't sell and start focusing on how to stand out in today's digital marketplace, I'm here to help. Theresa Van Zant, always listening, always educating, selling and buying with strategy and passion, delivering excellence.